We're going to start off by asking the most basic question. What is an operating system? If you ask many different people, you're likely to get many different answers to this question because operating systems can be very different and can serve many different purposes. At the heart of all operating systems, though, are three basic commonalities. First of all, an operating system is software that is written to communicate with hardware. Just about all devices that you use have some sort of operating system that does the dirty job of communicating directly with hardware. We aren't going to go into all the details of just how an operating system does this in this course, but in almost all cases, it is the operating system, or system drivers, that are often considered part of the operating system that communicates directly with the hardware. Think about the microphone I am using to record this video. It is a piece of hardware, and even though I am using a software program to do the recording, the software program is asking the operating system to actually do the communication for it with the microphone. If this weren't the case, every single software application that wanted to use any hardware on a device would have to have its own code to communicate with that device. And even if it could, what would happen if multiple software applications wanted to use the same device at the same time? An operating system solves both of these problems. This brings us to our next point about operating systems, which is that they provide services for applications. This means that, in addition to accessing hardware, the operating system provides other services that software applications can use to do common things on that device, like making changes to the file system or passing messages between programs. In this regard, you can think of the operating system as providing a set of rules for an application to follow in order to be able to use and interact with that device. Finally, all operating systems manage the execution of any other software on that device. The operating system controls the starting and ending of applications and determining when applications get their turn to run. Along with this, it also manages what memory each application is allowed to access in order to run. You can see in this diagram that the user will work directly with an application, and that application will communicate with the operating system, and the operating system is the only thing directly communicating with the hardware.